So got lucky because my cousin helped me, and I don't even have any idea how I got the job as a civilian for the U.S. Navy, a civilian employee. Uh, got lucky. I was trained there for 1 year to be a fireman. That's how I got to Saudi Arabia. I spent there for 9 years working for the uh, American company.
9 years in Saudi?
9 years in Saudi Arabia. Well, that was good because I was making good money there. And then uh, I helped all my sister and brothers. That's how they went to college because of that. That's the start of my lucky day. Worked there for 9 years, and every month I had to send money to my parents,